What's up you guys, Joshua with another video, and today we're actually giving you guys a little quick review of my new keyboard. And this keyboard is actually really, dude, it's so small and I love this. It's actually really nice. But before this video starts, make sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn notifications to get notifications every single time I post a video. And I hope you have an amazing day today. Make sure to comment down below what you might want to see me unbox or purchase or just do something next. I'm probably going to put this as well on my TikTok maybe, so make sure to go click that down below. And again, quick reminder, I'm live every single night at twitch.tv/Joshua Alfaro. Okay, this is the new keyboard that I just got. It is the GK61 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Got it on Amazon. Apparently this is the best keyboard for gaming specifically. And I got yellow switches. Yellow switches are the best apparently. So, this is my first ever unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And let's get right into it. And let's see this thing. Oh yeah. This one is nice. This one is nice. This is a nice one. Really nice package. I really love the packaging in this. This is really good. Okay, we'll put this over here. We'll get the cord. And not sure what this is. This is pretty sure these are the tools so I can take off the keys if I wanted to. So, don't need this anymore. Alright, let's open up this little box. Let's see. I'm pretty sure, like I said, these are the things to take off the keycaps. And yes, they are. These are to help if I wanted to change these keys. I can easily change them with these little things right here. This is a really nice, really nice actually charging thing right here to connect the keyboard. Wow, this is really carbon fiber. The quality actually looks insane. This looks like the same port that I can use if I wanted to charge my iPhone. Or not my iPhone, but my Mac, to be honest. I probably honestly, should I try it? It doesn't, it's too big. It's bigger. Now, for what you guys are here for, the actual keyboard. Now, to be honest, I don't know much about keyboards. I really wish I did, but this is more of an unboxing video rather than a review. I mean, honestly, it is a review as well because I am showing you guys what this keyboard is like and how it is. Alright, this is probably the best sound right here. Ready? Shh. Oh yeah. Throw that out. Put this right here. This is a nice one. Alright, let's plug her up and let's see how she sounds or looks while she's plugged in. Now this keyboard, ladies and gentlemen, is probably one of my most favorite and best keyboards I've ever purchased. I've gone through three. One was a Razer, one was a Steel Series, and now it's this one, and wow. For the purchase and for how much this thing costs, this is nice. This is really good. I'm in love. I can't wait to show you guys what we can do with this keyboard.